What's up everybody, Excel Dude coming at you again. Today we're going to do the unique function. Basically you get a massive list from anybody at work, or maybe you just want to go through a bunch of data, doesn't matter. You want to find all those unique items in there. You don't care what's where. You could do a couple of different things. You could do this, add your filters, you could do that, so on, and then you see there's 3 there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there, and there's hundreds there. Not ideal. So what we'll do instead, use the unique function. How many colors do we have? First, let's see the observations. So 1, 2, 3, 578. Who knows how many we have? I am certainly not going to do those manually. Equals unique array. So we just pick the area we want to take a look at right here. You can either drag it down all the way, or you can do what I prefer, hold the Shift Control buttons and then press the down arrow. It's going to go all the way to the end of that range. Then you just close the parentheses, enter, and there you go. You've got your 5 unique items. Division will do the same thing. Equals unique array, and then Shift Control and down arrow. Close parentheses, hit enter. What do you know? We've got 3. But let's say one of these gets changed. We have another report. We can go, let's say this is, oh, it adds it, great. And then we'll say, there you go. And then we change this. It'll automatically adjust. You no longer have to worry about that anymore. But let's say we want to double this up. Maybe we want to make it flexible for a new report. We get these observations and they come to us every week. We need to paste them in there and we just want it quick. We don't have to type in unique. That's a waste of our time. Okay. So you'll do this. Equals unique. And then just click right here. Close that up. And there it is. Now you will get a blank here. And that's probably an issue at some point, but it's going to be flexible. If you can remember to get rid of the 1, you can do that. Also, if you can go here, you can do the same thing, unique, and instead of that, all we'll do is equals unique, click that, close, and there it is. So you'll have the titles in there, definitely, but you'll have this, so you know you have 5, and the beautiful thing is, let's say you get a report that's double the other one. So now we have over 1,000 observations. 1,156. The beautiful thing is, it's still going to catch everything. And all we're going to do is we'll add and let's see. And we'll go with, so we've added 3. We want to make sure that it still looks good. Hello, there it is. It's updated everything for us. We've got 7, we've got 7 again, and that's it. Unique. Have a good one.